Hello. This video shows how to install the CML generator generated for the Compass project, along with a model on which the generator can be tested. At the point I'm making this recording, the CML generator is a prototype, and the latest version is available to Compass members via the Compass Subversion repository. In future it's likely to be available beyond the project, in which case just ignore this first bit on how to access it. Compass members should navigate within the Compass SVN repository to theme2/wp22/t.t2.2.2 as I'm showing here. The folder CML generator contains everything you need. You'll want to copy it to a convenient place. I'm going to copy it to a directory I've created on my C drive called CML. There we are. I'll show you what it contains. First, there's a README file. This summarizes the installation instructions I'm going through now, and also summarizes how to use the generator. There are also two model export zip files, each in their own folder. One is a test model that can be used to test the CML generation algorithms. The other is a generator model that contains those generation algorithms themselves. These are also referred to as rules in the Compass documents, such as D22.4. You don't need this second model in order to use the generator. The model describes the algorithms in a way that aids human understanding, but at the end of the day it creates a DLL, and that DLL embodies the algorithms needed to generate the CML from SysML, and that DLL is in this final folder. Copying the CML generator folder, as I've just done, is enough to install the generator itself, but to make use of it you'll also need to have installed Artisan Studio 7.4 or later and have appropriate licenses, including those for code generation. Artisan Studio and appropriate licenses are available to Compass members, and instructions on getting both are available elsewhere. I'm going to assume you've got the software and the licenses that are needed. I'll also show you in this video how to import the test model ready to test the generator. These same steps can be used to import the generator model if you want to look at it, but I'm not going to do that in this video. In order to import an Artisan Studio model export zip file, you need to use Artisan's Model Explorer. There'll probably be a shortcut to this on your desktop, but I'm going to do this the slow way and click on the start bar, All Programs, Atigo, Model Explorer, like that. Expand the tree view on the left and you'll see any servers you have serving Studio models. You'll probably only have one. I have two, one local, one remote. I'm going to use the local one. If you then expand the server, you'll see the repositories that you have. If you've just installed Studio, chances are high you'll only have two of these, called Examples and Models. I've got a lot more. So I'm going to use the Models repository. So click on the Models repository, and the right-hand pane will now display the models you already have in the repository. I've got many of these. Chances are if you've just installed Studio you'll have none and it will be blank. But the important thing is you now don't right click on a model, you right click on the blank background and you choose Import Model, and then you navigate to the model that you want to import. Here's my navigation, and double click on it and answer yes to the "Do you want to continue" dialog. It'll unzip first and then it will import the model. It'll take about 2 minutes. The exact speed depends on your computer, etc. Once this is done, you'll see the newly imported model in the right-hand pane of Models Explorer, and all you then need to do is double-click it, and that will open the model, and you'll be ready to start using the generator. Actually using this generator is covered in a separate video called Using the CML Generator, and you might want to watch that next. Bye bye for now.